Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What's going on? Dude, I come here today on the tail end of a crazy day. Let me tell you. So, oops. Got the Fanta. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But first off, I shattered my phone today at like noon. So my phone's broke right now. And secondly, I just clocked out like 6 minutes ago. I don't know, when did I start this? 7 minutes ago. So I clocked out like 10 minutes ago from work. I worked like 12 hours today. And the majority of what I did was trying to understand someone else's ChatGPT code, essentially. Just like mountains of AI slop code. And it was like an existential crisis, dude. It was insane. Like, there was multiple times where I'm like, this is not worth it. I was like, this job isn't worth it. What's up, Clearwater? Anyway. Okay. So, I'm here. And I'm hoping this playlist doesn't get me copyright strikes because it's Nintendo music, but at this point, I don't even care, dude. Freaking strike me down. Alright. Fanta going in. So, I did some stuff last night. I was kind of thinking about the project, and yeah, you could see, I was working on my laptop, and so I made some changes. Primarily, I mean, honestly, not really too many changes, but to the program itself, but I really modified the make file. So the make file now supports installation, even with some helpful little messages here. And it's not going to a root directory, which is nice. I didn't want it to go there, so I have it going to some local directory. But yeah, I spent like 2 hours working on this. And let's see if it works on here, because I did this on my laptop. Okay. What sucks about this terminal is it doesn't support the colors, it looks like. Because on my MacBook, it works fine. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool, actually. So, it works. There's the green. This is supposed to be a green check mark, and it's just a check mark. Anyway. So I did that yesterday after stream, and that's pretty much all I did. But that was bothering me a lot, and so I just went ahead and did it. So I need to... Okay, let's consult the notebook, as always, before I get too ahead of myself here. Like I said, crazy day. Also, I noticed, I don't think the stream has been dropping since going Ethernet yesterday. So yesterday I didn't have any drops. Seems to be pretty good. So the Ethernet is a go. And I also today got a 50-foot Ethernet cord. Freaking huge. Cat 8 too. I mean, this thing is supposedly quite good. And what's crazy is this was half the price of the Cat 6 50-foot Ethernet cord I found at Walmart. I got this on Amazon for $8, and the Cat 6 50-footer at Walmart was $17. And this one's a braided cable and everything. Like, this one should be a lot better. But yeah, I got one plugged in now, but it's just it is a very temporary setup because I got this going straight out of this room, under the door, through the hallway, to the living room. I mean, it's crazy. Whatever. Oh, we're not mercy. We'll change away from this freaking music. This freaking... Oh, what do we got here, though? There's probably some good stuff. Oh, yeah, I haven't played Sleepy Frisk in a while. I know Sleepy Frisk is pretty chill. So, let's see. What do we got? What do we got for Sleepy Frisk? Sleepy Frisk is so much. Let's do this one. Oh, yeah. Gosh, you cannot just help but to vibe to this. I'm going music here. Wires all over the house. Yeah, dude. I don't mind, personally. It's pretty cool, but, like, whatever. Well, okay, no. I should rephrase this. I don't mind having, like, DIY stuff going on, but when I tell you that this thing is literally running out of this room, down the hallway, I'm not kidding. It is legitimately doing that. So, we don't want that to be the case. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get the 50-footer, this Cat 8. We're going to get this 50-foot Cat 8 from the router in the living room, down through the baseboards into the basement, through the basement to where this room is in the basement, go up to the baseboards again, right into the computer. So it'll be just under the house. That would be sick. It's gonna take some work. Okay, let's consult the notebook. Oh, and consult the Fanta. Oh, yeah. I love Fanta. So what's going on? I think I wrote some notes in here. Yesterday. Let's first separate into a new day. It is July 15th, 2026. My phone's broke. I debated quitting my job today, and we're just really happy to be here. Ethernet's plugged in, good music rolling, so I'm happy. So what did I write? Yesterday, I wanted to add a printed habit list to delete habit, the delete habit option, which, if you ask me, I think that is done. It is done. That is done. So I did that. Add streak for looking at streaks themselves. This is something that we could probably implement pretty easily. Make startup window bigger. I think I still want to do that. I did not do that yet. Add some more color, of course. Add an about option. I think that could be pretty cool. I've had people come in here and say, you know, what's this? Why do this? So I've explained it a few times. And while I do have like a little bit of an about in the README, I think I'll just have like an about in the actual menu so you could just have some little explanation. Maybe, who knows. Add demo installation and usage. I was inspired by Cleawar for this, actually, because Cleawar, let me pull this up. Not LibreOffice, dude, are you kidding me? Also, yes, I know I'm full cam right now. Oh, could I just add this here? Oh yeah, so I got this inspiration. Also, I don't have my phone is literally broken, so I hope that I don't need to do some two-factor here. I am physically incapable of doing that right now. Oh no, I don't want you in.
Let's sign in via. My password is 420. Alright, so we were inspired by Cleawar with this last bullet point of adding a demo. Because Cleawar has that in his recently published repository for his WM. Right here. Great job, Cleawar. Very cool. Now, I'm wondering how you did this. Did you use ASCII Cinema for this? Oh, wait. Oh, you know what? Let me show you my phone. Let me show you my phone. I gotta go get it. It's not even in here. Alright. Phone reveal. My freaking phone is broke, dude. So it looks normal, right? Oh my god. The screen literally came apart. And this is not the screen protector. This is literally the screen. But, and you can see it's a, you can't really tell on the camera, I guess, but it's kind of bent and warped. But it still works. It's on. Play Bohemian Rhapsody.
Here's Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Can't see the damn thing. But it's on, dude. Stop playing music. Isn't that crazy? So I had an insurance plan on it, so I'm getting freaking glass in my hands doing this crap. Fucking headphones. Chipped to my head, man. So yeah. Friggin' phone's effed. It's okay though, I don't really care, but I have the insurance on it. How did that happen? I just dropped it and it hit it on the corner really good, like, and just completely decimated. I mean, dude, the screen just separated, like literally. It was the cleanest break I've ever seen. I mean, you saw it. The phone is not even like destroyed necessarily. It's just the screen just, yeah. The angle is crazy. Okay, so anyway, Cleawar has this cool thing. He says he made it with FFmpeg. Okay. Well, man, I'm gonna do something like this after it's all said and done. What else? I feel like there's more. Literally the most common thing with broken iPhones. That's interesting. That's the first time I've actually broken a phone. Like, actually broken the phone. I straight up broke it. I picked it up off the ground and I was like, dang, this thing's for real broke. Okay, so add demo of installation and usage. Thank you, Cleawar. Now, see, I was looking this up and I asked about ASCII Cinema because I just saw that on the internet. So it was pretty much, it was advertised as something that you can use to record a terminal session. So maybe I'll use it, who knows. Okay, so I said I added a lot to the make file. Need to update installation and readme. That's very true. Add special thanks and acknowledgements. Yeah, I want to do that too on the readme. In a minute, I'm going to send the FFmpeg. Oh, okay. That'd be cool, actually. So yeah, let's do a couple things here. Oh wait, hold on. Let's get the to do. So to do. So oops, dang, I just freaking ripped this through there. Okay, so to do. 1, update readme. That's fine to say that. Update readme. Add special thanks. Okay. Oh, and then streak for looking at streaks. Streak for looking at streaks. I mean, I think that's a pretty funny thing. I did not have that. These are now new things I didn't have on the one before. Streak for looking at streaks.
Basically, I think like how you would do that is maybe you need to have like I think you would need to keep track of the day they last looked. And then you would also need to separately keep well, I don't know, actually. Yeah, and then I think you would need to separately track. Man, I don't know. That's kind of interesting because if they skip over a day, a calendar day, the streak's gone. Obviously. Well, we'll figure that out. We could do that. Okay. Also, I was noticing... Let's pull this up again. I noticed something as I installed this on my MacBook last night. I got an error that I hadn't gotten on my Arch machine. Not with the installation itself, but at runtime. And what's interesting is there was somebody in here like yesterday or the day before, maybe a couple days ago, and they were talking about the same exact error, and I was confused. I'm like, how could you have this error? But basically what they were telling me was when I tried to build this, my compiler is giving me an error for bool types not being defined or something like that. And I thought that was strange because I'm like, I've been running this. That what they're talking about was one of the first things I added in there. So it's been working for me consistently the whole time. I never had a problem with it. But apparently, some compilers require I think it's called stbool.h library to recognize the bool data type. So while mine did not care very much, the Clang compiler, which I think is the Apple compiler for C, which I think is like Clang, requires this. But that guy said he was on Linux though, so I'm confused. But I can show you here. Maybe maybe this was another thing. I've opened it as an issue. Do you use AUR? Yeah, I mean I've used that. I use the repositories to download some packages and stuff. Segmentation fault on macOS for dashboard reset streak options. Okay, so this is different, but this was another bug actually. But just to describe or to show what was happening. So I was in main. I have a boolean for just to control the flow of the program, the bool running. And before, I did not have this stdbool.h.
I did not have this in here, and it was still working completely fine for me. But on my MacBook, it was not. It was giving me all kinds of errors. So, did you check your packages? Because it got hacked like last month. Oh, that sucks. No, I have not. Maybe I should. If you got any orphan packages using... I don't think I do. It's interesting though. I didn't hear about this. I've been hacked. I've been hacked. Oh no. So there's another thing I noticed on my Mac last night. It's just a freaking segmentation fault. Straight up on for dashboard and reset streak options. Yeah, one loads the dashboard thing and just straight up segmentation fault. Then you could say forward to reset a streak, save habit, blah blah. Test one, segmentation fault. User is still able to create habits and delete them. So I don't get that. I don't get that. But that's an open issue. Not gonna deal with it right now. Sorry, Mac OS people. Or I guess anyone who's... I don't know actually what it is. Could be Mac OS, could be whatever. But one thing at a time. I need to update this. Different bugs for different operating systems, and this is something that I'm new to. It's really interesting and fun actually to see these different things. If you don't have a data directory from a fresh clone. Oh, here comes Andrew Lewis again. And you know what? I think that actually I have my MacBook right here. I think it may not have those directories when it's cloned. I thought it did. I tried to make sure that it did. But we'll see. I'm just on my MacBook gaming right now. Also, what's up, Andrew? Hope you're having a good day. Good day programming C for your day job. Let's see. Momentum. No, okay, no, actually. Dude, genius. It doesn't have it. Let me try. Make do data. But wait a sec. It shouldn't even look for that there. It shouldn't even look for that. It shouldn't even look for that there. Oh man, I'm getting lost in the sauce. Where did I put this? You are. My arch crashes every other day if I don't do Pac-Man. Dude, sometimes I go like a long time without updating my stuff, and I'm like, maybe I should. Like, honestly, I can go a while, and I'm like, oh. Why would it do that? Habit path. That makes no sense. What does mine say on here on my MacBook? It says the same thing. It says the same thing, habit path. This should be habit. Data was not a directory. Habit was a directory, and habit is where it should be looking. Habit path. Habit. This should work. Hold on, let me try something. I'm sorry. I know I'm on my MacBook right now, but what will I do? Tree. There's stuff in there, so I should be able to run this. Make install real quick. Okay, momentum. Dashboard.
I did it!
Wait a sec.
It worked! It worked!
Data. See temp path and data path.
Wait, so I wonder if... Oh my gosh. Oh, na na na. Oh, freaking so good. Yeah, because wait, this probably is... It will need to dive in here and... Well, for a reset, it definitely did.
Oh my gosh, my broken phone's getting a call. Hold on a second.
I can answer it on my laptop. Dude, that's one of the cool things about the Apple ecosystem is that my phone's broke. I mean, technically it's still on, like you saw, but can't use it. Got a call on my laptop. I can just answer it on my laptop. Andrew Lewis has been saving my behind for days now. Because, yes, reset streak, it does, in fact, go into here. It does. So this would... Yeah, I could see this. What I'm confused about is, let's see what it says. Check input and output and update best. Hey, right. Exactly. Update best, yeah. Okay, that makes complete sense. So now that data, I added data in there. So here's the thing though. What I'm confused about is why... What I'm confused about... Okay, so it doesn't come with it, yeah. I totally thought it did. So I'm gonna add a get keep into there, I guess. I'll just like... So what I can do is... Here, I will get remove my cache. Right. Cache. Okay, I will, let's see what I got here. So I'll put get keep in there. And then get ignore. Yeah, I should have been pushing that stuff. Wait a sec. I also want to ignore the stuff in Rabbit. What the heck? That shouldn't be there. Oh no, I got my test crap in there. That's okay. So I can just do this. I think that would work. Oh, bro. Wait, no, this would... I don't... Okay, I think I would need to do the same thing now again. Would be... Have it get keep. And then there. I think I can add another one. So I can say... Have it keep. Okay. Let me see if this works. Lord, forgive me. I'm just trying my best. Let's see. See you later, Andrew. Bro popped in, was like, this is why it's messed up, and left. That's sick. Okay, let's compare. Let's also get a little bit of Fanta. I was sitting there last night, stumped. I was. I kept running, I'm like, dashboard, segmentation fault. And I was like, create delete habits. It works. Why? Let me see. FMmpeg. Holy crapazoids. That's quite the function you got. Now, Clewar, I'm pinning that message. That message deserves to be pinned. Oh, there's more. Okay, well, the first one. Let's see. Please be there. Okay, it's there.
Let me try this again. Try this on my Mac Mizzy. Okay, let me remove this crap here. I meant to remove completely. Get clone. Oh, I love this song. HTTPS blah blah blah. GitHub.com/Vimeo/momentum. Okay, CD momentum. Make install. Okay. I'm up and cooking right now. Dashboard. Oh yeah, dashboard.get current streak 20,649, best streak -1. Perfect. What that means is I need to into the logic here. I can probably do this pretty easily by saying oh crap, sorry, I forgot I had this up. So I think I can fix that because I think it's just straight up reading the get keep. So yeah, so like for here, I'm doing all this stuff. I'm doing all these comparisons. I could really just do the same thing for get keep. Yeah, dude. 20,000 streak on get keep, big W. Or string comp. DE DName is equal to get keep banger. That's a banger, I think. Is it? Yeah. I think that's a banger. Should I do the same thing in data though? Is there anything on data? What even uses that anymore? Uh-oh. What even uses this? I'm not sure. Data path, where? Literally just in the config. Well, because I have the temp path, which also already has. Yeah. It's the only place it's used. Okay, so that really doesn't even matter. But now we can add this. Get commit skip reading and wait a sec. I think there might be another source. I think there might be something else I need to change. No, is that it? Okay, I thought that wasn't it. Come on, dude. I know you have an extra push.
Da-da-da. Oh, I think this is my favorite. Hold on. This might be my favorite one here. Let me see. Is it? Might be. I think so. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, okay, that's it. I love this song so much. Okay, so that worked. Let me try this now. Run dun 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 dun. I think that's it. Alright, let me clone this. Let me clone. Clone Wars. Make install Memento. I should say. What the freak? It still did it. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. Source habit, dude. Why is it doing that? Oh, it didn't freaking do it. It pushed the main, bro. Uh-oh, my main branch is not protected. Freaking cares right now. I'm busy. Too busy to care about protection. Bro, famous last words. Na, 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 na. I mean, isn't it right here, dude? What the freaking butt face? No. What did I do? I literally did it, I think. Oh man, I'm a spaz. I don't even think I merged it. Yeah, I'm spazzing. I didn't even freaking absolutely unhinged right now. Now we're merged. Alright, let me try it now. Just going MacBook crazy. Dun, dun. Dude, it still did it. Okay, I'm about to throw a fit. What's going on? Is it still not there? No, it's actually there. That's interesting. That's actually interesting. Well, what is interesting is it is saying .git, not git keep, so I think it's getting truncated somewhere. So I'll say .git. Watch this. I bet this works. No, it still didn't work. What the frick? Why is it doing that? .git. Why is that a saved habit? Dude. It's like nothing. Yeah, it's still there. And you know what? I'm gonna hit the man stir, because that will return 0 too, I think. So if it's not null, pretty much. This might be a messy fix, but I think this will work. Dun 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 dun. Dude, what more can you ask for? Man, I want Pokemon Lo-Fi so bad, but I wonder if I'll get freaking taken down for this. I don't know. There's no way, right? There's no way. Oh,
Dude. What was it doing? Npm source habit. Oh, that's bumping. That's bumping right there. Literally. What if I say stir, dude? Stir. Oh, dude, I'm next level. Dumb. You wanna know why? Because I didn't say equals to 0 here. Holy moly. That's probably gonna work. Grr, it didn't work. Why? Because it's get. Actually get. Da-da-da. That pesky little piece of crap just keeps wanting to get rid. It's mighty strange. Okay, I'm gonna hit the... Holy shit. It's only doing that. What, dude? Where did you buy your site domain? I'm pretty sure I bought it from namecheap.com. I forget. Oh, I want to get the blog up so bad. I love writing things. Print debugging. Dude, if Andrew was here, he'd be like, dude, it's because of this, dude. I'd be like, thanks, man. Hold the hell on. Why? Andrew has laser beamed a few bugs. Yeah. Laser beamed some. Why? That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. It's just... Oh my gosh, Black Horizon strings and C are like crazy. What happens if I just get rid of that? I broke something. I still broke it. Okay, that's at least freaking doing that. That kind of partially brought it back, but why? So if I touch the... Is that gonna break it again? No, it's not broken. I think that's just what it was. That makes sense. I mean, yeah, what the heck? Okay. That's what I thought, dude. What the heck? What's the diff here even? Just this -0. Okay. Well, I mean, that's obviously huge. Okay, that's good. Fix logic error, DE. I don't even need fish logic error and dashboard. Okay. That's what I thought. But what was weird is that I did this on my MacBook and it didn't seem like... Oh, maybe I'm confused myself trying to do this on 2 machines at once, but it's okay. Tree. What is my get diff right now? Yeah. Don't wanna be an American idiot. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Do you sign out with Control BS? I can see all TMUX sessions. Let's see, dude.
Control BS. What?
I'm gonna do it again. Oh, cute.
That's interesting. TMUX. Actually, let's just freaking. Every time now I have to come over here and push it to main. able to merge. Yeah, see the logic error right there. I just wasn't saying equals 0. It just completely destroyed everything. Okay. Man, it's so funny. I've been on here for an hour and I have not done not a single one of my things, but it's okay. This is what I'm here for, is just have fun. GitHub.com, okay. Please just work. Okay, it did. Yay! Take that, Mac users. You've been patched. Alright, enough of that Mac. Onto my capital A machine. Oh no, my Fanta's gone. Alright, another bug bites the dust, dude. Bug that I created and then destroyed in the same session. From dust to dust. Alright, so what was I gonna do? I was gonna do something like readme. I wanna add a... Ooh, first I'm gonna kill you. Kill. Dun, 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 dun. I thought... Dun dun dun. GitHub change is constant. GitHub is always here. GitHub is always here to make sure that you're not behind. Because if someone says that you're behind, you're behind. Listen to Dario Omade. Listen to Sam Altman. You're behind. Are you token maxing? I'm a token maxer. You're still doing. Oh, wait. They're still doing. Yes, Black Horizon, I am doing. That's all it is. Doing. I'm still doing. Dude, let's edit this here. Special thanks to... How do I do a star? A bullet point. Whatever, let's try that. Clewar. I'm going to show you out here. I can also put your guys' like GitHubs on here. For example, I have Black Horizons GitHub on here already, so I can just link it again. .com Black Horizon X.
Cleawar? What's Cleawar's GitHub? What are you doing here?
Change is constant. GitHub keeps you ahead.
Bro, I don't need you to tell me that. How does GitHub keep me ahead?
Someone get GitHub on the line.
Piatti Sue. I think you're right. I think you're right.
Yep.
You are right.
Okay, we'll put Black Horizon first because he's contributing to the project.
Black Horizon. I'm still gonna say Cleawar, dude.
Even though it's like a different name, whatever. I'm going YouTube names on the special thanks.
GitHub.com. Piatti Sue.
Oh yeah, dude, that was friggin' banger. Let's put Andrew in here.
Andrew Lewis.
Bro got the first and last 7610. Okay.
Oh, Barney's. I need to freaking change this too.
Okay, Black Horizon is not a he.
Wait. Okay, I was just making sure I didn't put he somewhere here. Alright, we're good. Let's see. What else am I gonna do? Oh, I need to do this. First, clone the repo to your desired location. Navigate. Make an install.
I'll just do this. We'll say make install.
Okay, install the program. Make install. This will create an executable file. No, it will not. It will not create it there. How do I describe where it's going? It's just going to their... Oops. It's going to their freaking... Wait a second. I think that this is pulling from... I want to see something here. I'm going to commit this. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, Copilot. GitHub's keeping me ahead right now. GitHub, you kept me ahead.
Okay, so that's there. But I feel like I feel like this is pulling from draft. Which would make sense. It does. Okay, it pulls straight up. Because I was looking at my new lines and I was like, I thought I figured out that that wasn't actually how you do it. So I'm just gonna do it from here, dude. Navigate the directory. CD. Install the program. Install the program. Make install. Okay, so this will... Yeah, this will create it in home
/local/bin, and it should create the should create this here. Actually, it should create it if it's not there. That's what we're gonna tell the people. Gotta tell the people. Please tell the people that it should create the directory if it's not there. Sir, a second plane has hit the directory. Okay, this will create an executable in the... okay. Put these here too. Oh my goodness. I have to sit here and try to recall this correctly. Please make sure that the home local bin is in your system's path. If it is not, you can add it to your... How would I like say that? Like your terminal's RC or whatever? You can add it to your terminals, or your shell, I guess. Your shell's config. They're like export, Lord have mercy. I think it's like this, export path, home, oh no, local. Oh gosh, I think so. And then path, like append it essentially. Oh, that could be wrong, honestly. I hope it's not wrong. No, hold on, be right back.
Can a program die from bugs? Oh, yeah. My program's already dead. Yeah, like when it's Seg fault. All my programs do is die from bugs. Isn't that the whole point? I thought it was supposed to die from bugs.
Alright, from the directory, okay, you can just run the program with this. Forward, delete word.
Is this like thunder coming through this? Holy crap, dude. Classic Pokemon Lo-Fi Gen 1-3 Kanto Johto and Hoenn vibes? Who's not here for this? Oh my gosh. Actually, pause. You know what we have to do real quick? Libre Wolf. Oh yeah. Pokey like .xyz. Oh yeah. Oh, let me get a couple runs in real quick. Let me log in. Freak. Hold on. Did it just go away? How did it go away? Oh, not that one. Okay, not that one. Not that one. This one. Oh yeah. Let's juice it. Yikes. Then where did the sentence, it's not a bug, it's a feature? Where did it come from? Probably from some nerd. Called it. Nerd theft. Alright, Poke-like, let's go. This is gonna be the run. Cyndaquil. Ooh. No, give me something else. I need all trainers pretty much. Give me just a ooh, it's not. That's pretty bad still. Give me a string of trainers. Come on. We need more. We need like 6. Dude, come on. Just give me a good one. Give me a good one. Okay, here we go. This is quite good. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, dicey here. It's gonna be dicey. That ain't dicey. Electric Pokemon. Sure. Oh, I knew I was gonna happen. Let's see, leftovers. Oh, TM, we'll do that. Damn, boom, boom. Be this guy. Okay, map 2. Ooh, we're looking okay, I guess. Oh, this could be GG though. Oh, maybe not. Here we go. Ghastly, 1 hit Zubat, 2 hit Totodile. Okay. Oh, there we go. That was it. I tried. What can I say? Okay, let's see. I don't know how many. I don't know how crazy the breaks have to be. Web apps are the best thing that happened to Linux. I think web apps are fun. Okay, let's see. Blah blah blah. I think I just have to break after all these. Like, I don't know. I think so.
Sigma? No, whatever. I'm gonna use just, if I have their GitHub names, I'm gonna use their GitHub's names. So we have Blade Horizon X. Ryan's met. What's going on? I remember when Ryan's met helped us with a bug. Dude, Ryan's met gets a freaking special thanks too for that. About to put you on the repo, Ryan's met. Yachty Sue? I think I nailed that one. Andrew Wilson. Oh, 7610. Ryan's met. I think these are the chat goats thus far. Ryan's met. It's been 30 minutes, still haven't found the bug. Dude, that was me like 10 minutes ago. And the bug was literally just 3 characters. That was just a logical thing that I missed. Okay, this should be good. England parked the bus, man? You talking about the World Cup? If so, my knowledge on the World Cup ends at the name World Cup. Well, that's not true. I did actually, over last weekend, I was with my friend and he was watching the England-Norway game. So we were watching that. That was the only World Cup game I saw. Oh yeah. README should be getting cranked. README updates. Put this. I like calling up the file. I feel like the World Cup brings the entire world together. Honestly, that's cool. We need more stuff like that. We need like World Cups like every day. They should just never stop the World Cup. They should just have it go forever. The way people came to tour America was the best part. Yeah, I saw some articles about Europeans talking about their time in America and like how they actually enjoyed it, and it was refreshing to see stuff like that because, you know, people just kind of make fun of America a lot, but then they came here and they're like, dang, you guys have a lot of space. And you have air conditioning? Like, dude, this place rocks. Cheeseburger. I want to switch from Control B. I have mine set at Control B. Well, I mean, it's just the default, right? So I just had the default, but at first I didn't like it, but
I starting to got a flow with the pinky and the index on it. All right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm like Dwop. Dude, if they ever remake that game, they should let me do the frickin'. Oh, dude. Okay, speaking of Waffle House, I had Waffle House for the first time ever like 2 weeks ago. All right, make that make sense. I had it for the first time ever, and it was pretty good. Go to Caps A?
It's interesting. Caps A is interesting. But if you do Caps A and you use something like NeoVim, you could really give yourself some problems. Ridesmet is from England, I bet. India. Dang, I was wrong. But yeah, Caps A would be interesting. Let's see, where am I at? Bro, you were missing out your whole life. Oh, Waffle House, yeah. It was pretty good. I honestly thought Waffle House was like a dumpy place. I thought it was like notoriously dumpy, but it was pretty good. Why can't I automatically merge this? Dude, this did not work. What the freak? Why is the README being so hard to freaking just push onto? Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe I didn't change it. It's usually my fault. No, wait. I literally pushed that. What is going on with that? Yeah, okay, so this makes sense. This doesn't, though. What's going on here? Bro, I'm having some README problems right now. Like, why is it so weird? I know it's because I changed it a while ago just on the main branch, and so draft was always behind. So then I pushed on draft, tried to merge with main, and it was all freaking messed up. Okay, they don't care about anything in cricket here, and all their sports are super underfunded, and the government is shit. I could go on a rant. Oh, to be fair, I didn't even know Americans played soccer, so... We hear football, we think NFL. I think my phone just vibrated. That's kind of funny. It's dead. Well, it's broke. You guys know what it is. It's broken. Yeah. Come on, baby. So it looks like it's working now. Also, it looks like it didn't even need to be like all crazy formatted. So I gotta do this again? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Na, na, na. Half of our soccer team lineup were all British imports. Yeah, that's like the thing. Well, maybe I was right. Maybe Americans don't play soccer. My phone is vibrating. It's kind of frustrating to know that my phone's vibrating, but my phone is broken, so I can't even like look at it. I have no idea what it is. Oops. Cooked, maybe? It was low-key embarrassing. I mean, isn't the same true about England's team? Like, don't like literally none of them play for the English whatever? I like NFL more than soccer. Oh yeah. I'm sometimes embarrassed to admit like how much NFL I've watched, but at other times I'm not really embarrassed by it. I mean, it's a cultural phenomenon, so whatever. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I follow pretty closely usually. This season I'm not sure how closely I'll follow because it can be kind of exhausting. I realized last year just how much time I was spending talking about football and all that stuff. I'm like, man, it's too much. But I do like sports. I like football. I like baseball. My phone keeps vibrating. I have no idea what it is. Hey, Black Horizon, I invited you to be a contributor on here. You need to accept it. Let me see. Yeah, I did. It was in the... I don't know if it like sent to your email or something, but... CCP Grayfan, you should later have a mobile app for this. Seems awesome. Yeah, that'd be really cool. I think it'd be really cool to have on the iPhone. Hey, yeah, there probably also is a lot of them. Okay, let's see. Okay, so did this. This should be true. Okay, so update. So update README. Add special things. Did that. So the streaks for looking at streaks is an interesting idea. Basically, it could be like. You don't see notifications for that? Collaborators. Oh wait. Collaborator. I need. Yeah, I have you as a collaborator, but I wonder if that's not technically a contributor. Okay, yeah. So to be a contributor, just need to do I just need to do some sort of pull request. So whenever you have something you want to put in there, it'll just automatically. I mean, as a matter of fact, you could submit literally those photos, like the mock-ups you sent. Like stick them in the directory and then push that as a commit, and then that should land it. Yeah. Just something, whatever it would be. What was I doing? I wanted to add a streak into the streak. Wait, what's the diff, bro? What's the diff? What do you mean that should be the same? Oh. Oh, dang it. Whatever, push that crap. Oh, so we could do something funny. Basically, just don't have anything to do with habits, so we can close that. I could put it there. Not sure. shit. Oops. Pooping. Oh, damn. What? What's going on? Mm-hmm. 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 That Vesper, what's going on? Try it, said pull request creation failed. Validation failed. Must be a collaborator. What? Say validation failed. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. I don't know. Hold on, let me try. Oh. Hold on, I think I got the answer. Why am I doing the same torture myself? Yeah, I think I have learned to see that that is true, no pun intended. Okay, so Black Horizon, you should definitely be able to submit a pull request by... So you forked the repository, then you can use git checkout and name a new branch. So like, temp or whatever. So name a new branch. So, like that. And then, yeah, then you should be able to just like straight up add. So create pull request. Oh crap! I'm trying to shift enter. Sorry. Maybe like git add. Can I not shift enter here? Whatever. I'm just gonna type it all out. Git commit. Like your message, and then git push to origin. Git push origin your branch, which would be like temp. There, I should set it. That right there should do it, and then I can look at it, merge it, and then be good. Am I doing C? I've learned a lot actually doing this in C, all things considered. It's been interesting. I thought this would take like 2 seconds to do. It's taken longer than that. Okay, so this is saying hamana. Expect are you gonna type char like this, like why const variable C? I don't understand that. Like constant, maybe it'll never change. Variable value cannot be changed after. Okay, that's fine. So I should be able to do this. I should be able to do this. So it'd be like void menu item. Oh look, I'm gonna say const, dude. Trying to make the side brackets dynamic, by the way. I got the border links decided, but so it should say int width is printf this bam shazam and then this space this width and then item, right? Please. Oh my god. Please work, please work. So many dips, so many dips. I changed my mind, dude. Instead of border, I want to say print border. Please. Not that one. Okay. That should be good. So it's here. And then, I know. Go back here and do it all over the place again. I know. Oh jeez, I just gotta do it. I just gotta print everything everywhere. Order. I know it's in the habit, darn it, I know it's there. Wait. That crap is still said print border. Huh, I guess I didn't change everything else like I thought I did. Oh yeah, let's see this. I thought I changed everything already, but I didn't. That works.
this works, it'll be major cook mode. So I have to do that from my fork. Okay, I did that. Let's see. Let's look at the pull request. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. First pull request on GitHub, dude. Sick. And this repo? Oh, what do we got? What do we got here? Got the shooting star? Oh yeah. You know, I could probably put that on the README. As like a GIF. Maybe. I wonder if it supports that. Oh, yeah. That is so sick. Star. Spaceship. Ship. Rocket. Comment. But it has no stars. It doesn't have stars. Yeah, this is true. But it has a shooting star. What's cooler, a shooting star or static stars? A single shooting star or static stars? I mean, static stars with a shooting star would be peak, pinnacle. Alright, let's merge. Oh, I guess I should have looked where that even went. Like, where did that even go to? Let's see. What the freak? Where'd it go? What? Did it not go anywhere? Oh, is it coming? I'm actually hella confused. So is this like a comment? You might have to put it in like the assets folder. Because it doesn't look like that it was put in here. Yeah, I would probably try that. It should just automatically put you here. But I think it needs to be like in the assets folder and then push that. It looks like it was the comment. Which is interesting. I'm not sure how that works. So yeah, you could put this MP4 in the assets folder, push that, and then I can use it. Oh, trying to add it to the README? Just put it in the assets folder. That'll probably be easier. Like, I was having trouble with modifying the README too from the draft branch. So I think, like, I'm not sure. But if you put it into the assets folder, I could just change it real quick. Well, I mean, first I'd probably actually try to make it into a GIF or GIF and then put it in there. But anyway, that's freaking sick. Oh yeah, hold on, be right back. Beeber, beeber. Yo!
Canada Dry, Canada Dry.
T Mux. Alright. What was I doing? I think I was cooking up something hard. It's crazy. Oh yeah, I was cooking up.
Lock in. What was this? See you later, Black Horizon. Have a good night. And yeah, thank you very much. See ya.
Hello?
Okay. Ow! My leg! Da na 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 na. What?
Too few arguments, freak.
Where to have it see? Oh god. Have it see for sure. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, no Pokemon. No Pokemon. Actually, I feel so freaking juiced out. I'm gonna do this. You're not even ready for this. Oh no. Here it is. I haven't played this in a while. That didn't freaking work, dude. Oh, maybe it did? You know what? You're fired. So, I'm questioning your -4. Why would you do that? Why would you question my -4? Does that put one in there? No, it doesn't. It probably should, though. Let's just put one in there. Oh, it also needs to probably put this. That should work. No, it didn't work. Okay, maybe I didn't put the -4 back. Ah! Mosius. Well, we're getting closer. We're getting. Oh wait, maybe these things are. Is that making a difference? You know what? Actually, wait me alone. We're going over here. We're going over here. Well, I'll tell you what. That certainly isn't freaking doing any favors. Hey! I did it! Yeah, why not put a little bit of a thing here? Like this. Okay, this. Dang it. -1, dude. Cooking with -1. Promise. Cooked. Now I can just make this super flexible. Get rid of all this stuff. Doot, doot, boop, boop. Maybe, we'll see. I hope it works. I really do.
Oh boy, I really do.
It worked. Yeah. Oh wait, this doesn't have one. This should have one too.
That one damn messed up.
Well, technically, I think this is the header. Honestly, is like, well, I mean, yeah, no, it's not completely unnecessary, but it should come before. What if I like split? Well, maybe that would be it actually. Huh? What do you mean? Redefinition. Hmm. I don't understand that.
Uh, 29.
Bro, I'll never forget Cleawar FFmpeg comment. It's crazy. Where's it at? 29. What do you mean redefinition, bro? Oh. Bro, I swear. I literally am so stumped over like the most obvious stuff sometimes. It was right in front of me. I just had it defined twice. Okay, that works. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's cool though. That's cool. Cool. It worked. See you later, Claywar. Nice seeing you. Have a good night. Okay. Alright, that's enough for me today. Let's see. Let me check the notebook really quick. Update readme, add special thanks, a streak for looking at streaks. Didn't do that again. However, we did add flexible border widths, which is pretty good. Okay. So that's pretty good. Okay. Successful. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good night. I'll be back soon. And yeah. Enjoy your evening. See ya.